My gtw680 washer shoots out 2 bursts of water, lid lock engages, it starts sensing, then it ends immediately and has nothing.
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
I've tried resetting it by shutting off the circuit breaker for 1 minute. That didn't work. Then I tried unplugging it for 2 minutes, then pressing start. That didn't work. I also tried unplugging it for 1 minute, then opening and closing the lid 6 times in 12 seconds, then selecting a small load with no close in it, and it did the same thing, shoots out 2 bursts of water, lid lock engages, it starts sensing, then ends immediately and does nothing. The machine is brand new and has only been used 3 times.
Okay, got it. Last thing, appliance technicians generally expect a deposit of about $18 to help with your type of question. You only pay if satisfied. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I am appliance guru and extremely experienced tech on the site, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. I just picked up your question now. Can you remove the top on the unit?
Do you mean can I open the lid? Yes. I can open the lid. Not sure if I can remove the lid completely, only because I don't know how to do that.
If you remove the back top panel screws, the top should slide back and lift off.
I'll do that now.
Okay, sounds good.
Not really screws back there. More like bolts. I'll need a wrench, and there's 4 bolts back there in each of the 4 corners of the top panel. Does that sound right?
There should be 2 typically in the corners, then it will slide straight back.
I think I see the ones you're talking about. So not on the metal backing, on the left and right of the top panel, integrated in the white plastic of the top panel, correct? 2 bolts that point down towards the ground, correct?
Is this a top loader or front loader?
Top loader. http://www.homadepot.com/p/ge46 2-foot top load washer in white Energy Star gtw680 BSJWS/206355465.
Okay, on that model, does anything flash on the display when it stops? Also, have you tried to unplug it from the wall for a full minute and plug it back in to reset the board?
I've tried resetting it by shutting off the circuit breaker for 1 minute. That didn't work. Then I tried unplugging it for 2 minutes, then pressing start. That didn't work. I also tried unplugging it for 1 minute, then opening and closing the lid 6 times within 12 seconds, then selecting a small load with no close in it, and it didn't work. Here's what happens. After unplugging it, I hit power to turn it back on. The start light is blinking. I turn the knob all the way around in a full circle and select casuals. Then I press start. 2 bursts of water come out, lid locks, I hear a low hum, it starts sensing, then it ends in a couple seconds. The display scrolls the word end, lid lock indicator is on, and it says spin stop below lid lock. The machine is brand new and has only been used 3 times. Also, the start light is no longer blinking when the display is scrolling the word "end" with lid lock and spin stop lit up below it. The machine is making no noise. It's just not doing anything. Okay. Now after this amount of time I just heard a click. It is still scrolling the word "end" but lid lock and spin stop is off. Now the whole machine just shut off on its own and there is nothing on the display. The whole unit appears to be off.
This is a control issue. The main control is not function on the unit in the console and will need to be replaced. All I ask is please use the star rating link at the top of your page before leaving. Thank you, and if you have any other questions just post back to me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.